In previous lessons, we discussed whole steps, half steps, and the major scale. Understanding these concepts is essential to studying key signatures. A key signature indicates which notes are sharp or flat in a piece of music and is placed at the beginning of a staff. Imagine you're playing a piece with many sharps. Writing or reading all those accidentals can be tedious. A more efficient approach is to list the sharps and flats at the beginning, allowing the musician to apply them automatically while playing. Think of it like baking muffins. Each batch starts with basic ingredients: flour, eggs, water, and oil. But you might add blueberries, bananas, or chocolate chips for variety. Similarly, on the piano, you begin with 7 white keys and apply sharps or flats based on the piece. Key signatures tell us which accidentals are needed to form specific major or minor scales. For instance, this key signature corresponds to the D major scale. When you count the whole and half steps between the notes, you will find the whole, half, whole, half pattern, which defines the major scale. Keys in music are related by a fifth. This is illustrated by the circle of fifth, which looks like a giant clock. Starting from C major and moving clockwise, you'll encounter sharp keys. G major has 1 sharp, D major has 2 sharps, and A major has 3 sharps, all the way to C sharp major with 7 sharps. Notice that adjacent keys are always a fifth apart, hence the name circle of fifth. Going counterclockwise from C major gives you the flat keys: F major with 1 flat, B flat major with 2 flats, E flat major with 3 flats, and all the way to C flat major with 7 flats. Memorizing key signatures is important for quickly recalling which notes to play sharp or flat in a piece. This knowledge is crucial for transposing music for different instruments or voices, writing harmonies, or learning songs by ear. For example, if a singer finds a song in C major too high, you could transpose it down 1 or 2 semitones, resulting in B major or B flat major. When transposing music from concert pitch for a B flat trumpet, everything must be raised by a whole step. This is because when the B flat trumpet plays a C in the score, it sounds a concert pitch B flat. To achieve a concert pitch C, you must transpose it up a whole tone to D. To memorize the order of sharps, use the phrase "Father Charles goes down and ends battle." For the order of flats, read it backwards. Battle ends and down goes Charles' father. You can visualize the order of sharps as moving down a fourth, then up a fifth, and vice versa for flats. The circle of fifth displays all major and minor keys. A minor key is always 3 half steps down from its relative major. For example, the relative minor of D major is B minor. Relative keys share the same collection of sharps or flats. Pause the video here and work on memorizing the circle of fifth. Let's test your knowledge on key signatures. Which major key has 4 sharps? Which minor key has 2 flats? What is the order of sharps? What is the key with 7 flats? And here are the answers. See you next time!